Hello guys, welcome back on What's New in Canva. Today I will show you the version history, which is a pretty cool feature in the Canva. For sure you already have this situation when you save something and you came back for the project a couple of days later and you would like to change something, and that's when, okay, do you remember was something was already better and what you like more, or a client called you, said, okay, the version what you sent last week was better than today, and of course the undo function is not working. The undo function is working only on the current editing version, so the current session. So if I even know I did something last week which was better for me and I would like to change it back, yes, we can do it. But if you don't remember what you use, like color combo, which element you use, or something else, you already lost this version, or at least that was before. From now, or actually not now, but this is not a brand new feature, just I just discovered now. So if you are a pro user, because this is a pro feature, so if you go into the file and scrolling down, you can here you can find the version history. You can see this is a small crown here, so this is a pro feature. So if you click on the version history, a new tab came, and as you can see the days, or actually today at 7:53. It's strange because there's 7:43. Oh yes, yesterday. Sorry. Okay, I'm a bit blind, so that was yesterday at 7:53. But it's the 2nd of August, 31st of July, 30th of July, and here there's also a funny thing. There is a toggle for highlight changes. So how does it works? As you can see, the change what I made is highlighted. Here also. So this is how we can we can going back to the past. And if you remember you did something different, what would look better than this version, you can going back and just easily change, easily moving back. So if I would like to have this version, we have two options: make a copy, so we can create another version of this current project and we have a new one, or just restore. So if I click on make a copy, as you can see, a new project opened with the name of copy, and actually we will have the version what was stored there. Of course, with the restore button we will have the same functionality, but means in this case we are override the current project. So I recommend to use this copy, sorry, because in this case the original one is also stay there. Then if you want to change back again, you have the option there. So I think this is a pretty amazing feature, even with this not proper timestamps, but you can see the dates when you did something, and it's pretty cool because like there is an easy situation. You are working for a client and you do remember last Wednesday you sent him or her something, then he or she asked for some changes and you are doing it. You already did it, and in the end he said, yeah, this is nice, but the last week version was better. And of course you already closed that session, so you cannot go to the undo, so that you cannot going back. But now with this feature, you just check, okay, that was last Wednesday, was like quickly check, that was 28. So going to the version history, searching for 28, and you can make a copy and you can send it directly again, this version, or you can start to work on it, because like you didn't add something or some logo or something, or just some fine tuning, but he said he liked the better the previous one, so you don't have to changing back everything one by one. You can going back immediately with the version history. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed our greatest friend, the algorithm. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. Also in the description, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee link, where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find all the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.